Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel and today I'll be teaching you how to make creamy garlic shrimp pasta. It's quick and easy to make and packed with a lot of flavors. So let's go ahead and make it. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then we're gonna cook our shrimp. Make sure you cook your shrimp 2 minutes on each side or until it's golden brown. Then we're gonna add our chopped up onions and the garlic. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Now we're gonna bring our heavy cream to a simmer, then add our baby spinach and our cooked shrimp. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook our pasta. Bring a pot of water to boil, add your pasta, and don't forget to add a pinch of sea salt. Now you're gonna go ahead and add the pasta to the sauce. Our food is now done, guys. We're gonna go ahead for the taste test. Wow, that's really good. The flavors all came together. You can taste the garlic. The baby spinach is a little bit crunchy. Can't get any better than that. So go ahead and try it. Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in the next video.